Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on, Freedomers? I'm gonna talk about how to get your desires in life. You have to focus on. You have to focus on your needs. And what I noticed about this is that my cell phone bill taught me this one lesson. So I'm just gonna break down into four parts. So one, everything you need in everything you need, you have. Your wants you get by option. Everything in life that you need, you have. Your wants are optional. So you must make winning a necessity, or you won't have it. You must make winning a necessity, or you won't have it. You have to create rituals for your necessities, meaning it must be a priority. Whatever you must do for you to win, it must be a priority. And I've had to realize this with myself. I make winning too low. I used to make winning too low of a priority, or not a priority at all. And when you're making it a priority, that means that you're proactive, not reactive. That means that you're constantly going to get it. You're not waiting. If you don't have to. If you don't have to wait, you don't do it. Because for some things you do have to wait. And five, you must make it important by focusing on activities and progress and needs. So activities meaning you can't control results, you can only control activities. Progress meaning in the words of Dan Pena, if it's not measured, it doesn't get accomplished. If it doesn't get measured, it doesn't. If it's not measured, it doesn't get accomplished. So I had to understand that, and you have to focus on the needs of your business. Sorry. You have to focus on the needs of your business. So, let me very quickly review this again. Everything in your life that you need, you have. Your wants, you have to get by option. You get by option. You must make winning a necessity, or you won't have it. This is probably the most important thing of everything. You must make winning a necessity. Because if it's a necessity, you do whatever it takes to have your needs met. And it's just in human nature. You must create rituals for your necessities, not your wants, which is you have but you don't have, but your necessities. It must be a priority to you, meaning you cannot put it last. It must be one of your winning or your activities or your income producing activities has to be one of the first things you do in the day. Some people say it should be the very first thing you do. And some people say you get more stuff done that day, that way. Because, and I said, and cause I saw it on a podcast, he was like, G doubled his income because his income producing activities was the first thing he did. Not prayed, not meditated, not went to the gym. His income producing activities was the first thing he did for the first couple hours of his day. And then he put time in to meditate and all that other stuff. And I might put that in. I might do that for 2 weeks, but I don't know. It's a little hard for me sometimes, but it's not because I don't do it at times. Like if you make your income producing activities, and I'm gonna do that for 2 weeks. I'm gonna experiment with that, and make it the first thing that you do. Meaning you have to prepare the night before about your income producing activities. If that's the first thing you do, the first hours of the day, or lessen like your prayer and your visualization, and this is the first thing you do in the day, then that's fine. But I still need, for me, I don't know, I still need to get me a little meditation, even if it's for 5 minutes. But he said, this doesn't have to be no hour or 2 hours. Some people are different, and I know that I need this at times. But he said, if you lessen this to 5 minutes of complete concentration on your goals, but at the same time, your meditation needs to be income producing meditation, like a money meditation, or visualization about your goals being completed, or your visualization about you actually doing it, actually doing the process. You know what I'm saying? So these are the things. That's how you get what you want. Like again, I took a major loss last week, and one of the ways because I made a ritual that every month my cell phone bill would be paid because I made it a priority and I made it a necessity. So it just happened. So you have to do these things, these 5 things, to get the life you want or desire. Peace.